How many times have you started a machine learning project and spent the first 30 minutes doing the same repetitive work, creating folders, setting up configs, preparing data directories, adding logging, fixing importers, organizing modules? And before writing your first model, you are already tired. This happens to almost every ML engineer and data scientist. We spend time preparing the environment instead of solving the actual problem. So I decided to automate that process. I developed a Scaffml, an automated machine learning project structure generator. The goal is simple. Instead of manually creating project architecture every time, Scaffml generates a clean, scalable, production-ready structure in seconds. That means no messy folders, no inconsistent layouts, no repeated setup work. Today, I will show you how to go from an empty folder to a well-structured ML project step by step. First, create a new folder somewhere on your computer. For example, I created mine on the desktop. Now open Visual Studio Code. Click Open Folder and select the folder you just created. Now we have a clean workspace ready for our project. Next, right-click the folder and choose Open Integrated Terminal. This terminal will allow us to run commands directly inside the project environment. Before installing anything, it's recommended to use a virtual environment. This keeps your project dependencies isolated from the global Python installation. So run Python space -m space VNV space .vnv. VNV is Python's built-in module for creating virtual environments. .vnv is simply the name of the environment folder. You can name it something else if you want, but the .vnv is a common convention used in many professional projects. Once the command finishes, a new virtual environment is created inside your project. Now we activate the environment. If you are using Linux or macOS, run source space .vnv /bin/activate. If you are using Windows, run .vnv /scripts/activate. Once activated, you will see the environment name appear in your terminal. This means your project now has its own isolated Python environment. Any libraries installed from now on will belong only to this project. Now we install Scaffml. Run the command pip install Scaffml. This installs the package from Python package index, the official repository for Python packages. After a few seconds, the installation completes. Now Scaffml is ready to use in this environment. Alternatively, if you want to explore the code or contribute to the project, you can clone the repository from the GitHub. That allows you to customize the tool, submit improvements, or use it directly from the source code. Now we create a new machine learning project. Run the command scaffml create predict underscore readmission space --docker. Create tells scaffml to generate a new project structure. Predict underscore readmission is the name of the project. You can name your own project name. In this example, imagine we are building a machine learning system to predict patient hospital readmission. The --docker option tells Scaffml to also generate Docker support files for containerized deployment. If you don't need Docker, you can simply remove this option. Within seconds, the entire project structure is generated. Now look at the folder structure on the left side. Scaffml has created several important files and directories that are common in professional ML systems. Let's briefly walk through some of them. The .git ignore. This file tells Git which files should not be tracked. For example, it excludes virtual environments, cache files, temporary files, system files. This keeps your repository clean and prevents unnecessary files from being committed. The other is requirements.txt. This file lists all Python dependencies required by the project. Anyone who clones your project can recreate the environment by simply running pip install -r requirements.txt. This makes collaboration and deployment much easier. The init.py files allow Python to treat directories as modules. They help organize the code base and make imports clean and structured. The .github workflows includes GitHub Actions configuration for CI/CD automation. It allows your project to automatically run tests or workflows whenever code is pushed. You'll also see organized directories for data, source code, configurations, logging, Docker support. This structure is designed to support real production machine learning systems. When projects grow, the structure becomes extremely important. A well-organized project is easier to scale, maintain, collaborate on, and deploy. Instead of spending time recreating the same setup for every project, the Scaffml generates a professional foundation instantly. Now your focus can stay where it belongs on building models. So that's how you go from an Anonymity folder to a production-ready machine learning project in just a few minutes. If you are working in machine learning, AI engineering, or data science, tools like this can remove a lot of unnecessary friction from your workflow. Try it out, explore the structure, and if you like, contribute to the project as well. And most importantly, spend your time building models, not folders.